We're here at Bretton Woods installing the first ever scanning LiDAR WindCube from Vaisala. And by first ever, I mean for our mesonet, not first ever in the country, but first ever for the state of New Hampshire. And what this bad boy is going to do is scan at different levels vertically, 100 feet, 200 feet, 1,000 feet, 5,000 feet, whatever. And we'll be able to understand what the wind is doing at all those different intervals. So we can point it to the summit of Washington, we can point it to Bretton Woods, and essentially get any type of cross-section of the atmosphere and figure out what the air is doing. There's the system power supply, and then there's a power supply for the cooler, and then another cooler that also has a power. We'll be able to see like what the wind speed is doing, not necessarily at the summit, but like 200 feet above us, 1,000 feet above us, or 2,000 feet above us, without needing those instruments.
Ubiquity nano beam radio is going to communicate with us. It points to the top of Bretton Woods, which then relays it to the top of Mount Washington, which relays it back into our Conway office.
This new instrument will allow us to get that wind picture of how the wind is moving in the lower atmosphere through the mountains, which is something we have not been able to capture before. And that'll be monumental for our wind studies, cloud studies, and general lower atmosphere studies, especially regarding the boundary layer. So we're really looking forward to seeing those first wind maps that come through.